Head Adventures presents Weekend at the Central Coast. Broken Bay, enter Long Beach NSW.
What was that? Oh, God.
A quick tour of our Airbnb.
It was the burner. I thought the bubbly wobbly burner. You so try. Weird business happens. You don't have to move so fast from that little tiny. Like, oh no. I just saw a massive pink fluffy unicorn body. And like, what is it? Oh, it's that! What? Cat.
Good feng shui for a poopy.
What? How do I survive that?
Horse riding at Glenworth Valley for Katie's birthday you.
Oh, that really won't. Oh my god. Carrot. What did you do to him?
Scary. Oh. Mommy, look at the other one.
Uh-oh. We'll find out.
Oh no, that ain't gonna eat my fingers.
Oh, you see the shark? Scared. No, can you do it? I'm scared. You do it.
Oh nom nom nom, yummy carrot.
Well, fine.
Where was the axe going again? I thought it was down there.
Yeah, it was down there.
Pretty sure it's really young.
You gotta take my horse to the Old Town Road. You gotta ride till I can't no more.
Oh, I had that boy. I had him last time I was here.
Was it for you? Or was you alright?
He was, for the first few minutes, he was a little bit for me. It was probably just me though. User error. Yeah.
Dude, that's a beautiful horse. Come on, I love boy. I love this horsey. Mine gives me.
Yeah. You can do it, Katie.
There you go. Well done. And drop. Beautiful. Well done.
Give me a sit. Would you like?
That's really funny.
Dad. Here, would you like? Put it on the ground. Maybe. Would you like some apple?
That's wild.
Like what?
I think she's got like human teeth.
What? Hey, hey, what's that? Would you like? Hold on.
Go to
It's so straight. I didn't think cows. Come over here, Goaty. The other goat likes the carrot.
Chocolate Factory, Gosford. I'm Mum.
One second, I'm having this, and see what she's at.
over there.
Sprinkle it.
The kids got to make their own bar of chocolate.
What if I want to keep it there?
No, you sprinkle on top of the chocolate. And you can move it around a little bit if you like. Just don't touch the chocolate.
Done.
Nice.
Done. That's a lot. Wait. Yeah. It looks like there's more in there, but there's not that. Oh, that's so cool. The Oreo bar. Oh my gosh, look at the frogs. They're chilling in their swamp. In Shrek's swamp. That looks cool. Looks like one.
Flip over, flip over, flip over. There we go. Yeah.
It's fine. He can be sitting like that. I got some gold bars.
So many lollies, I just wanted to eat them all. Oh my god, oh nom 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 nom.
Milk chocolate fries.
Check this out. Me and Tara Matthew.
Oh ha ha ha, such a cool funny guy.
Running out myself.
It's got a little spin.
I accidentally just ripped the box. What about me? Is this mine?
Yes. The other one's got the...
Look at my chocolate sleigh.
Slay Queen.
Amazing.
Oh, mine's hard to get out. Oh, there we go.
Another
Little
sticker.
frogs. Look at them.
Yeah,
They're
cool.
adorable.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness, this chocky was tasty. We just wanted to eat it all up. Yum, 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 yum,
This
numbing.
is my swamp. It smells like Oreos.
Yeah, Glenn, we got Oreo crumbs in there.
Yeah. Oh, look at all those sprinkles. Look, it's even printed on the back.
Eat all the sprinkles that are falling off.
Very good.
You want to taste?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yum.
Jeez, Jade,
Oh, it
don't
smells
eat it
like
all at once. Ha, ha,
Mine
ha,
needs to go
ha,
in the fridge a
ha,
bit
ha.
longer.